The dual-zone wine fridge offers a spacious solution with the capacity to store up to 18 bottles of wine and 65 cans, making it ideal for both wine enthusiasts and party hosts. Featuring independently controlled cooling zones, this fridge allows you to set optimal temperatures for different types of beverages, ensuring each drink is perfectly chilled. Equipped with an energy-efficient cooling system, this wine cooler operates quietly, providing fast and uniform cooling without disturbing your home environment. The smart touchscreen interface simplifies temperature and lighting adjustments, while the soft blue LED light adds a touch of elegance to your beverage display. Designed for versatility, this fridge can be either built into your kitchen cabinetry or placed freestanding, catering to various installation preferences. Enhanced safety features, including upgraded door handles and dual safety locks, offer peace of mind by preventing accidental openings, especially around children.